everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner with Kiwi Lane. My creative partner number is 247096, and this is a follow-up video to my unboxing of the Anchored in Freedom Kiwi Club kit for July. As I said in that video, Kiwi Corporate makes suggestions on what borders and accessories that you can use in addition to the monthly exclusive template set. And this month's suggestions were Coastal Highway, All-American, and Tiny Seaside. This video is just going to showcase to you those different template sets so you can see what is included in those. So if you would like to purchase those, I will put links down below, direct links, to help you find it a little bit easier. So the first template set I'm going to show you is the Tiny Seaside. Sorry if it's glaring. Okay. This is the first. It's like a swoosh or an S. You could use this as an S too for Seaside. It measures approximately 3 inches by 1 and 1.25, we'll say. But yes, you could use it for an S also. As with all now the newer template sets, years ago they did not have these on there. It has the title of the template set as well as the number 1, like this is 1 of whatever. This is 1T. So this is Seaside 1T. The newer sets have like there's 5 templates in it. It'll say 1 of 5. But this is not one of those. So mine says 1T. That's Seaside. Let's go to number 2. Little flower, really cute, from Seaside, 2T. It's 2 inches by, I'm going to say, well, 1 7/8. I'm going to stick that up there. Number 3 is this cute little fish. really cute. It has fins, underneath fins. You can, of course, make that like a betta fish if you wanted to, make them different colors. He measures 2.5 by 1.5. So that's number 3 of Seaside. Number 4 of Seaside. I'm going to call this a splat mark because I'm really not quite sure what it is. So the splat mark, Seaside 4T, measures 2 1/4 by like 2 1/8 possibly. So that's number 4. Number 5 is a seashell, 5T of Seaside. It measures 2.5 by 2 1/8. That's 5, number 5. Number 6 is a pineapple. It measures I'm gonna say 1.5 because it's just about there. 1.5 by 3. Don't forget you can change the stems to be the right color of the pineapple. And number 7 of Seaside, so there's 7 templates in this set, is another flower, and it measures 3 1/4 by, the longest part is 3 1/8. So that is Seaside. The next template set I'm going to show you is called, get out the plastic first, sorry. This one is called All-American. And as I said earlier in this video, the newer ones have how many there are in the set. So there's 5 templates in this set, and this is number 1 of 5. There's a cherry, maybe cherry pie. It measures 1, just over 2.5 by 2 1/4. So that's number 1 of All-American. Number 2 of All-American is a pinwheel. Now you can stack this pinwheel up if you wanted to. just make 2 or 3 of these, cut 2 or 3 of these out, ink them. I would do actually 3 because I do things in odd numbers. And this one measures 5 7/8, almost 5. No, 4, I'm sorry, 4 7/8. 4 8/8. No, 4 7/8, sorry. 4 7/8 by, I'm going to say 4 7/8 again. Yep. So I would cut 2 or 3 of these, ink them, put a pretty brad or something in the center or a rhinestone, really, really pretty, and just use a 12-inch strip as the pole to hold it on. You could actually probably make it go round and round too. Number 3 of 5 is a star. He measures just over 4 inches. I was going to guess that it was 4 by 4. Oh, 4 1/8. And then we have number 4 of the 5th one of All-American, a bigger star. She measures 6 1/4 by, I'm going to say 6. And this star fits perfectly inside of that star. So if you wanted to, you could cut the star out, just do it like that and pop it up, really cute. So that's 3 and 4 of 5. Those are the stars of All-American. And then you have this really nice 12-inch border. I would use this on the side of a page or up on one side and down on the other end of the page. So that's the All-American border set, template set. And then finally, I want to show you the Coastal Highway border. Waves. Yeah, waves. And just like this other All-American, well, not, it doesn't really say that. I think that's only for accessories. This is number 1A of Coastal Highway. And it does have the measuring marks for if you want to do an 11-inch page or 9-inch page, 8.5, 8, 7. It does have those markings. So this is 1A. And this is 1B. So those two go together. And those measure 12 inches, sorry. Coastal Highway 2A and 2B, and those two go together. They have the measurement marks on them also. And finally, the waves. This is 3A of the waves, really, really cool. So you really have waves going both ways. 3B. And has the markings also. These just have the regular 3B on them because they're not really a set. So those are the 3 template sets that Kiwi has suggested us use with the Kiwi Club kit for July. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you have, please share it and have a great weekend. Bye.